All right, number 5. C equal to 75H plus 125. The equation above gives the amount C in dollars and electrician charges for a job that takes H hours. Ms. Sanchez and Mr. Rowland each hired this electrician. The electrician worked 2 hours longer on Ms. Sanchez's job than Mr. Rowland's job. How much more did the electrician charge Ms. Sanchez than Mr. Rowland? Okay. So we know the same electrician, so it's the same model that we're gonna use. We could just plug in some number, right? Say we're trying to compare Ms. Sanchez, the total cost for Ms. Sanchez. Let's just say if Ms. Sanchez's job is like, so the electrician worked 2 hours longer on Ms. Sanchez's job. Okay, let's just say Ms. Sanchez is like 3 hours, for example. Okay, just use it as a test number. If H is 3, okay, let's just say H equals 3, we can actually solve for the cost. Right, so it'd be 75 times 3 plus 125. So 75 times 3 is 225 here, right? 225, and then plus 125 is actually $350. Okay, so for 3 hours, it's $350. And if we compare that with Mr. Rowland, again, we're just picking the H value ourselves, right? You can pick different number, doesn't have to be 3. But here I just picked 3 for Ms. Sanchez. So Mr. Rowland's time will be 1 because it's 2 hours more for Mrs. Sanchez, right? Compared to Mr. Rowland. So Mr. Rowland is a smaller number. Okay, so H is 1, we can solve for the cost for Mr. Rowland is going to be 75 times 1 plus 125, which is 200. Right, 75 plus 125, 200. So now we can compare the two costs, right? What's the difference here? For 2 extra hours, right? One cost is 200, the other one is 350. So how much do they differ? Now we can subtract them. 350 minus 200 is 150, okay, which is letter C for this one. Okay, and if you think about this, 150 should make sense because it's 2 hours work. And if you look at the equation, 75 is our slope. Okay, so that means for each additional hour, the cost will increase by 75, right? So if you have 2 more hours, then 2 times 75 is 150. Okay, so then that makes sense. So you can also think of it like that. Okay, yeah, but if you're not sure about interpreting equation, we can definitely plug in numbers and verify. If you pick different numbers to begin with, as long as the difference is 2, for the H value, then the C value should differ by 150.